Hey guys, it's me, Emma, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a chocolate milkshake with whipped topping and syrup. So let's get on to the video. So first, what you'll need is some chocolate ice cream. I already put that in there. That's the only thing I put in there. And then we're going to add just a little bit of milk. You don't need much. And then you're going to turn your mixer on. Want to make sure it's all mixed in. And I choose to do circular motion. So then we're going to...
You don't put the Cool Whip in it? Go ahead. You don't put Cool Whip in it?
We're going to just put it in to the bowl. And then just drop half the ice cream onto the thing, the table. And stuff is dripping everywhere.
You still with it? Are you still with this?
Yes, ma'am. There's stuff dripping everywhere. I'm sorry, guys. I made a big mess. It's everywhere. We're gonna have to, I'm just gonna continue on to the video. So, you need some whipped topping. If you want whipped topping, you don't have to have whipped topping. Just say it. Alrighty, so I'm putting some whipped topping on top. Not much. You don't want much, probably. Alright. Now, I'm going to take some chocolate syrup. Pour it on top with a nice drizzle. And I don't like cherry, so I'm not putting cherry. So, guys, that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on those post notifications to get notified when I post another video. And comment down below to get a shout out. Today's shout out goes to Jerica Holloway. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and this is
what are y'all doing?
how my stuff should
What are you doing?
Enjoy. Bye.